So far in this course, when I talked about custom audiences and combined audiences, we created those by going into the campaign section, the campaign manager. But another easier way to keep things organized is to create those, monitor those within the audience manager. So to access that, we go to tools and under shared library, there's a section called audience manager. So let's take a look here. You can see you have the 6 different tabs: your data segments, audiences, custom segments, combined segments, your data insights, and your data sources. The section that I most often will use is either the custom segments or the combined segments. So you can see here under custom segments, I have a lot of different custom segments. People that visit the Udemy app or apps similar to the Udemy app, people that visit udemy.com or similar websites, people that actively search for business to business marketing as a keyword, people that visit Coursera or similar, another custom segment, one based around keywords related to digital marketing, people that visit similar websites to Udemy like edX, people targeting, again, digital marketing related keywords, people that have an interest in LinkedIn. And then we also have the combined segment section where, for example, I have keywords that people are searching for, combined with their likelihood to visit sites like Coursera, similar for Udemy, people that are in market and also visiting websites like Coursera, people that are in market and visiting websites like Udemy. So there's a lot of complex and interesting combinations that are going to be very useful for you in targeting the right people. Now, within the audience manager, you can also create new audiences. So under custom segments, I can decide to hit this blue button and create a new custom audience. So this is something we've already walked through. It's just that we came here from a different place. So we can search for people that have a specific interest or purchase intention, or we can search and target for people that are actively searching for certain keywords. Or we can expand and go after people that visit specific websites, for example, or specific apps. We can also combine segments by going to the combine segments option, selecting the blue button, hit create a new combined audience. And here we can choose whatever we want as the initial criteria. And then we can narrow that by adding more criteria in other segments, or we can exclude certain segments as well. So, for example, people that are actively searching for words related to free would be a classic example of a group you want to exclude from your targeting.